deep, intrusive thoughts. You know, I'm not the only one, but I'm sure there's others that are like me. You know, like when you're working on something, when you're working on a bike and you start having these deep, intrusive thoughts that come into your mind. I have them a lot when I'm working on things, but I never say anything. And, well, first of all, there's nobody out here to say it to, but now I have the camera, so. Am I the only one that thinks when you see somebody vaping, it looks like they're sucking on a robot's dick? Weird. Deep, intrusive thoughts. I can't stand that woman. If you buy a ticket to our latest giveaway, which is our 2007 Sportster L 1200, you get a ticket, that'll put you in a drawing for that. Once we get rid of that, then these bikes, or bikes like these, are next. Buy a ticket, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com. Tickets and koozies, shorts. Hey, it's becoming winter time. We got the hoodies. Buy it. Help a brother out. Helping the old man out. Peace. God, he's fast. Yeah. Don't put this up. Start. Well, I mean, rest after you got finished kicking down. They almost, kickers almost give me heart attacks all the time. You do. I just want to give you mouth to mouth. So they go. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 3 wide open. One more. Well, 3. You're too lazy to steal. Appropriate. Not stealing, it's appropriate.
Never been a thief.
I have stole a little food every now and then when I was hungry.
Well, you never been in politics then.
Yeah. You know you're in an outlaw shop when you got the outlaw gas nozzle. Right.
I love rust.
Generator working? It was when the other day I checked it.
Oh, you're fine.
No faces, no tattoos.
We're not telling. No nothing. We know nothing.
Porn before, have it? No, that'd be FDR. What? Not yet. Still frying it.
Discount by two. You're more than welcome to kickstart it now if you want.
What's that?
That.
Oh, no.
I'm done.
Oh, you talking about the van head?
No.
Oh. You know, as soon as this guy leaves, it's going to start.
Yeah. We're gonna leave it run till he gets back.
Yeah, you know what's throwing me is there's on the chain there's rubber piece that goes around it. I guess I
Yeah.
right here.
I don't think the inner primary is set up for it, but I don't think you got far out.
Staten Island and the FBI go over it looking for body, you know, flesh or DNA or whatever they could find, you know?
Or covering up their operation.
Yeah, selling, well, what they were doing too was selling. They were selling the steel to Japan and other places. They had governors coming in and bidding on chunks of steel so they could bring it to their state and make a monument. It was such bullshit.
I wonder how many toasters were made. I hate the focusing on this, man. Tired of counting all the fish you caught?
Yeah, I want to catch some more.
You know, I have a motorcycle channel, and I say it all the time. I do a lot of fishing, and Florida's a peninsula. Might as well call Florida an island. And what the hell? How can my battery be on 0? I could have sworn I checked it. Anyway, check out my son's channel, T-Reel, Faircloth, no. What is it called? Faircloth Fishing?
The Faircloth Fishing Show.
Okay, the Faircloth Fishing Show. It's my son Terrell, better known as T-Rel. And yeah, there's more to life than motorcycles. There's damn sure fishing. You know, I'm hoping that hoping that nobody will buy tickets and all these bikes will be mine. It'll be mine. Maybe not.
Finding some more jewels, are you? Stop kicking this over. Put them in here and you can do what you want.
Do what I gotta do. All right, before I leave,
Smile,
I'll say
squirrel.
goodbye.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No, sir. Thank you. It's been more than a pleasure.
Good. Want to do some more?